Hi, I'm Gilles. I represent Lance Manufacturing.
Lance Manufacturing offers precision machining services, which means we cut your parts from either solid blocks of material or preformed shapes. We make your parts per your prints, military and industry specs, and our AS9100 quality system. Types of parts we make include small parts for airplane engines, bezels and boxes for electronics, aircraft wheels, manifolds, and custom fasteners, just to name a few. Lance Manufacturing is centrally located in Upper Michigan, serving clients locally in the Midwest and all three coasts of the U.S.
Since 1965, Lance Manufacturing has delivered over 1.3 million units to our customers. In the last 6 years, we have completed 64 contracts with DLA and NAV sub worth $2.7 million.
Our niche is making small to medium parts in low to mid quantities. We machine most metals, including aerospace grades and some plastics. Lance Manufacturing is the absolute best at finish machining complex shapes that have been cast or forged. And finally, through local partnerships, Lance Manufacturing can support reverse engineering projects to replace long obsolete items. Most notably, we are making replacement wheels for CAL FIRE's fleet of Grumman S2 air tankers that haven't been made in 50 years.